Tesla Autopilot explained, what it can and can't do. All right, Tesla fam, let's talk about one of the coolest features on your Tesla, Autopilot. While it sounds futuristic, it's important to understand exactly what Autopilot can and can't do, so you're always in control and know when to step in. What is Tesla Autopilot? Tesla Autopilot is a semi-autonomous driving system designed to assist with steering, braking, acceleration, and lane changes. It uses a combination of cameras, radar, and sensors to gather information about the vehicle's surroundings. This technology can make highway driving more relaxed. But remember, it's not a fully autonomous system, and you'll still need to be aware and ready to take over at any moment. What Tesla Autopilot can do: 1. Traffic-aware cruise control. Autopilot maintains a safe speed and distance from the car in front of you by automatically adjusting the speed based on traffic conditions. You can adjust the set speed, and the system will keep you in sync with traffic flow. 2. Auto steer. Auto steer helps keep your Tesla in its lane by steering automatically, especially on highways. It can handle gentle curves and straight roads, but still requires your hands to be on the wheel, and you must remain alert. 3. Navigate on Autopilot. With Navigate on Autopilot, Tesla can take things a step further. This feature allows the car to navigate highway interchanges, make lane changes, and even take the exit to your destination. The car can also suggest and initiate lane changes when it's safe to do so, but you can always override it. 4. Auto lane change. When enabled, Autopilot can perform more lane changes when it determines it's safe, especially on highways. You still need to confirm the lane change by tapping the turn signal stalk, but the car will steer itself into the new lane once you do. 5. Summon. Summon allows you to move your car in and out of tight parking spaces remotely using the Tesla mobile app. While not a fully self-driving feature, it's great for getting your Tesla out of a tight spot or when you need to park in a confined area. 6. Auto Park helps your Tesla park itself in parallel and perpendicular spaces. It uses the car's sensors to detect an open parking spot and then automatically steers into the spot while you control the speed. What Tesla Autopilot can't do: 1. Complete autonomous driving. Despite the name Autopilot, the system does not make your Tesla fully autonomous. It still requires constant supervision from the driver. You need to keep your hands on the wheel and stay alert. Autopilot is not a substitute for a human driver. 2. Navigate complex intersections. While Autopilot is excellent on highways, it struggles with more complex situations, like navigating busy city streets, making left turns at busy intersections, or dealing with roundabouts. Always be ready to take over when approaching complex driving environments. Number 3. Detect and respond to all obstacles. Tesla's Autopilot system may not always detect objects like pedestrians, cyclists, or other low-visibility obstacles, especially in challenging weather or lighting conditions. You'll need to stay vigilant and be ready to stop if necessary. Number 4. Fully park the car. Although Auto Park can help you park in certain spaces, it doesn't work for all situations. You may need to assist with parking in some cases or choose a different method, like using the mobile app for Summon. 5. Handle unusual road conditions. Autopilot works best in ideal conditions. It may struggle with poor road markings, bad weather like heavy rain or snow, or unusual road conditions. If the road is unclear or there's a lot of debris, Autopilot might not perform as expected. Final thoughts. Tesla's Autopilot is an incredible system that can make your driving experience smoother, especially on highways, but it's not a fully autonomous driving solution. Always stay alert, keep your hands on the wheel, and be ready to take control if necessary. While it can handle many tasks, your attention is still essential for safety. And be sure to check out the link in the description to find out ways to upgrade your ride even further.